Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mathilda. So guys, today I'm going to be following Kylie Jenner's makeup tutorial. She recently uploaded a video on Vogue. So we're going to be trying out her makeup technique. I've always wanted to try out her makeup technique because she does this soft glam makeup look. So I would like to see how that will look on me. So if you want to see me follow her makeup tutorial, then keep on watching.
I'm gonna start with my lip scrub, of course.
I don't have a lip scrub right now and I really don't want to be bothered to go find a lip scrub. So I'm just going to assume that I did a lip scrub. Let's go on to the next step.
I'm gonna do like 2 pumps of my moisturizer. And then this is one of my foundation samples, my first secret of this whole video. Don't tell anyone. I'm obsessed. This is my go-to. So I'm gonna do a little squeeze of that, mix it up.
To be honest, I don't really peg Kylie Jenner as a foundation mixed with moisturizer kind of girl. I feel like she does mostly full glam, so I didn't expect to see her use foundation mixed with moisturizer, but we're gonna go ahead and do it the way she does. The way it doesn't even feel like I applied foundation on my face. I don't like the way it feels. I don't like the way it looks. I'm just gonna trust the process because right now I would prefer if we had not applied moisturizer, because now we have applied moisturizer, we're using our hands, it just kind of thins everything out, right? I guess this is an everyday look. One thing I've noticed about these celebrities when they are doing their Vogue makeup tutorial, they usually use very tiny amounts of product. Like, look at the amount of concealer she's applying. Is that even going to provide anything? Is it going to give you coverage? It's like just applying a dot. And I actually wonder if they actually do this their makeup tutorial, like what they are doing in their makeup tutorial, if they actually do it in real life.
Nude Sticks bronzer. I think it's a foundation, but it's very thin. I like to take it on the brush.
The moisturizer I mix with the foundation is just making everything blend so seamlessly.
I feel like the way that I contour now is definitely less harsh. Like, this is probably all the bronzer that I'll use, especially on a daily, but I'm just taking this angled brush.
It seems like she went on to do powder contour after the liquid contour, so let's just do it that way, right? I can't even lie, I am loving this look. It actually looks really nice.
These are my glow bombs. These are actually, I got a new one because mine look a little crazy because I use them every day. This one's like peachy. This one is very like a really pretty neutral blush. I like to mix them. This is my favorite part. This is like the best day ever.
One thing you can count on Kylie is she's gonna wear a blush. So I'm not even surprised at all that blush is her favorite part, because I was actually waiting for the blush part, because if she had not applied blush in this makeup routine, I would have said, no Kylie, this can't be your makeup routine, because blush is Kylie and Kylie is blush. I love the way her blush always looks in her makeup routine and her makeup looks as a whole. So if she doesn't apply blush, who will? You know, she's a blush girl. For the blush, I'm going to be using my Pixie on the Glow blush in these 2 shades. Just apply it. You know, I haven't actually been using this particular shade for a very long time. I've just been stuck on this shade, and using this shade, I just remembered how much I used to love this shade. I love it a lot. It just gives you that, you know, blushy look. It's beautiful.
You put it over powder. You can also put it on your lips too. I'm actually going to do that now.
She went ahead to apply the blush a little bit on her lips as a lip stain.
I love this Givenchy powder. I'm gonna do a little bit of powder on here. Stormy still doesn't really play with makeup.
Okay, now let's go on to set the concealer. She's using a very minimal amount of powder. Okay, let's do that. I'll be using my Sacha Buttercup powder for that step. I think I put too much powder. Yeah. It's too much. compared to the amount she added. It's a lot.
I love these Charlotte Tilbury powders. I have these amazing, I'm obsessed with these cream shadows. Start here. You could put this directly on your eye. I'm going for a lighter look, so I'm gonna put it on the palette. A little goes a long way, and they don't dry too fast, so I like that you can play with them for a little. I like to focus on the outer corner of the eye.
To be honest, I can't really see the color of the eyeshadow she's applying. It just feels like she's not applying anything. I don't know if it's just me, so I can't really tell. Let's just keep watching and see.
But also, like, I love a dragged out shadow look. This is just a really pretty neutral matte palette for everyday. Maybe a little here. When I have products that I really believe in, I
think she's applying brown liquid eyeshadow, but it's not really showing, and I don't even have a liquid eyeshadow here with me, so I'm just going to use brown eyeshadow just all over my lid, because that's just what it looks like she's doing. I'm just going to mix these two shades together all over my lid. So I'm noticing that she has not done her brows, so let's see. I really hope she does her brows.
And next up is liner. I'm really loving a tiny baby wing just to bring out my eye.
This is such a small and cute eyeliner.
I like to take off the end a little bit more and make it really sharp and clean.
Okay, let's use concealer to just clean up the edges. It's such a small eyeliner that you might not even notice which side is good and which side is bad. So let's just do it just because we're following a makeup tutorial.
This is a good little tip if you mess up. I'm gonna put my lip on. This is another sample of something really crazy, really crazy. I always overline my lips a little bit.
She's already doing her lips and she's not done her brows yet. Is it that she did her brows off camera, or she's not doing her brows at all? Let's just hope for the best.
So we're gonna go brows. I'm using this Anastasia pencil. It has this cute new gold packaging.
Now she's doing her brows. I was a little bit scared, but I still look good without brows. Yeah, so let's just fill in the brows a little bit. She said she doesn't do too much with her brows, so let's not do too much. Although I don't have a lot of brows like she does, but I can work with it.
Natural bushy brows. I don't really fill them in as much. Brows are done. They look really bushy and gorgeous. We're gonna do, I just got this Kosas brow gel. Can you do a good brow gel? I just like when it like lasts really long, it's not too flaky.
One thing about brows will elevate your look. Like, no matter how you want to go so simple, the minute you add brows, your look literally changes. I was like, okay, I look good without brows, yeah, but now that I've added brows, I'm like, girl, you look good.
Guys, I found this in my drawer. I am obsessed. It is an all over face highlighter. The finale. This is my Kylie Volume Mascara. I like to focus my mascara towards the corner of my eye. Like, I don't really go heavy in here because I like to give my eye more of like an almond shape. And then I kind of like do this little wiggle, you know, really get the product on there. This is the full updated Kylie look. I'm sure I'll see you guys again in a few years when my look changes again. I'll see you guys soon.
So Kylie's makeup routine is actually quite simple. Nothing she did was particularly new to me, so it was quite easy to adapt, and I love how simple it is and how glam it still looked at the end. So I give it a thumbs up. I feel like the blush and the brows really tied the whole look together. It looks really beautiful. Kylie, your makeup routine is quite simple. I feel like maybe this is her everyday makeup routine. I don't think this is what she would do when she's going out on a red carpet or stuff like that, because this is so simple, very easy. I don't think I don't know. The only thing that screams Kylie in this look is the blush. I feel like Kylie is hiding some things from us. This cannot be all you do. So I still look beautiful nonetheless. I am just admiring myself like, ooh, child. They know they find parts like this. So guys, what do you think about this look? Did I nail it? Do I look like Kylie Jenner? I don't look like Kylie Jenner, but I look like me and I look good. So guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If there's anyone you guys would love me to follow their makeup tutorial, please let me know in the comment section below. Or if you guys want to see me outside of YouTube, you can check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, or Mathildaduku. Hey. So guys, if you want to see my other videos, I'm gonna leave my playlist where I followed other people's makeup tutorial, from Doja Cat to Hindash to Uche Natori to Jackie Aina, you name it. I follow a lot of people's makeup. I'm a thief. I keep stealing their makeup techniques, but yeah, check it out right here. Then I'll leave another video up here for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.